Hi, my name is Rachel Bryan and I'm part of nGen's Sales and Solutions Engineering team. And today I'm going to provide a high-level demonstration of nGen's collaboration platform. We're going to be talking about general business scenarios, however, we are able to quickly build a customized demo if you'd like to talk in detail about your specific initiatives going forward. Before we get started, I want to provide some context about collaboration in general. Collaboration isn't just brainstorming or sharing thoughts to gain a broader understanding or a different perspective. Enterprise collaboration is both a process and an outcome. It's results-oriented and it's purposeful. Collaboration involves addressing a business problem with a group of stakeholders and achieving a specific outcome with measurable business value. Through many false starts and failures, we've learned that technology does not drive collaboration. It involves a drastic mind shift related to management, process, and organizational operating models. Collaboration is changing the way we work. It provides transparency within organizations, and it has stimulated participation across a vast group of stakeholders. In today's marketplace, organizations have been faced with difficult economic conditions that have forced them to tighten their belts and do more with less. Organizations are dealing with a tremendously increased speed of business and a remarkable information explosion due to globalization and the world being connected now in so many different ways. Companies have discovered that there's no single right answer to some of the most complex business problems that they're dealing with, but they have also discovered that groups of people can come together to work on initiatives to make progress. So why do I care? What are some of the benefits of collaboration in the enterprise? Some of the benefits include increasing the pace of innovation, reducing costs, building consensus for action, improving decision making, monitoring threats, and identifying opportunities. There are many tools, many providers, many initiatives, and a vast array of solutions. It can be overwhelming to hear about some of the Enterprise 2.0 lingo and jargon such as wikis, cloud computing, crowdsourcing, SharePoint, Jive, Facebook, Twitter, Yammer. And technology is continuously emerging, requiring that organizations be advanced, flexible, and able to adapt and respond quickly. nGen's collaboration platform enables this ability to quickly adapt to and incorporate emerging technologies, and I'll show you how. It's one thing to read about collaborative techniques, and it's quite another thing to see a collaboration platform in action. It's kind of like the difference between reading about a bicycle and riding one. So let's talk about today's objectives. First of all, I want to show you enterprise collaboration in action using the nGen collaboration platform. I also want to show how nGen delivers its insight research programs through the platform. I'd like to show you how we deliver our advisory services through the platform and how our customers can also use the platform for program and project management. And finally, I'd like to demonstrate how our applications are integrated with the platform, and this includes nGen's applications such as the nGen, Ideagora, feeds, listeners, but also I want to show you how we can integrate third-party widgets. Because the platform is built on the open social framework, any open social compliant widget can be integrated into our platform. And then finally, I want to talk about the top 10 collaborative intents. And collaborative intents is really just the reason for collaborating, or the reason an enterprise collaborates. Tammy Erickson is a McKinsey award-winning author and researcher for nGen. And she has recently authored an article that was published in the Harvard Business Review about how to build the collaborative enterprise. And she came up with the top 10 collaborative intents. And these are, number 1, connecting previously unrelated ideas. Number 2, accessing untapped people or expertise. Number 3, distributing work or risk. 4, co-creating with employees, with your customers, with your partners. Number 5, detecting emerging patterns and trends. 6, pooling judgments. 7, determining group-wide preferences. 8, airing and debating multiple views and also sensitive issues. Number 9, influencing views or norms. And finally, coordinating time and space. And what we mean by that is providing flexibility as far as your work hours and working remotely. Now, some of the resulting outcomes from these collaborative intents include innovation, innovating more effectively, faster, cheaper, better, focusing and building core strengths, leveraging crowds, strengthening the customer experience, and customizing the customer experience, searching for new opportunities and threats within the marketplace, doing a better job of estimating and forecasting using market mechanisms, making better decisions, developing shared values and norms, and just communicating better in general. Now finally, before we jump into the application, I want to talk about how this demo is structured. So what we've done, we have a fictitious company called nGen Corp. And what I'm going to do, I have 5 key scenarios that I want to step through. And what I'll do before each scenario, I'm going to give 1 or 2 case studies, real case studies from the marketplace. And then I'm going to use this fictitious company, nGen Corp, to walk through the platform and demonstrate how you can achieve similar business results. nGen Corp has engaged Enginero with a 6-month enterprise collaboration solution engagement. And during this project, Enginero will help NGE's executives define a set of initiatives to apply collaboration. The assumption is that our audience consists of an nGen Corp executive who wants to gain access to research and his program community, as well as collaborate with his management team, his employees, customers, and partners on various initiatives. So now let's get started.